Hey there, welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. So you see, nowadays, you're not just looking at a motorcycle, you're living it. There's this bike, it's AURORA X-09. From the second you see it, it's like it knows who you are. The design is so self-assured, it wouldn't even need a mouth to talk. The lines are sharp, the body is confident. It's not like it just happens to be there, you know? Every part of it, every curve, every angle has been planned out. This bike isn't trying to be cool or futuristic. It's cool and futuristic. Just look at the headlamp. It's bold, modern, and cutting edge. It's not just about making you see better. It's about making you stand out. The dashboard looks like it's made out of a screen, but it's actually where the magic happens. It's all digital, with clear and confident info on display. There are no distractions here, just the things that matter most. You can feel the connection between the rider and the bike when you look at the dashboard. The digital dashboard is like a control center, designed to make everything easy and fun. When you're behind the wheel, you don't need to look at a screen. It's like the digital screen is right there, working with you. And the engine? Well, it's all about feeling, not just looking. It responds to you, listening to the rider and doing exactly what it's supposed to do. The sound of the exhaust note is deep, mature, and refined, just right. It's not too loud, not artificially aggressive. It's just enough presence to let you know that the real power is working hard beneath you. It's a sound that grows on you, the kind you like more and more with each ride. When it comes to comfort, AURORA X-09 really proves its engineering prowess. The suspension is tuned to the perfect balance between comfort and control. Even the smallest bumps disappear under the wheels. And the bigger imperfections are taken care of without making the bike feel wobbly. Whether you're riding in the city or on open roads, the bike stays put, stable, and predictable. And the confidence that comes with it directly leads to how you handle the bike. So there you have it, our take on AURORA X-09. It's a bike that's designed not just for you, but for the rider. You can see the magic of it all just by looking at the details. Braking performance is another area where this bike shines. The braking system delivers sharp response. With smooth modulation, you feel connected, in control, able to slow down confidently, no matter the situation. This isn't braking designed just for speed. It's braking designed for safety and precision. Now look at the wheels and tires. Wide, well-proportioned tires give AURORA X-09 a strong stance on the road. Grip feels consistent and reassuring, allowing the rider to push forward. With confidence, every ride feels grounded. Every turn feels secure. Ergonomics play a huge role in making AURORA X-09 an all-rounder. The riding position feels natural and relaxed, not too aggressive, not too upright. It's a posture that works for daily commuting, longer rides, and everything in between. You don't fight the bike, you flow with it. This is where AURORA X-09 truly stands out. It's not built for just one type of rider. It's built for those who want style without compromise, performance without fear, and technology without complexity. Every detail on this bike tells the same story, a story of modern design, smart engineering, and rider-focused thinking. This isn't a machine made to impress on paper. It's a machine made to impress every single time you ride it. AURORA X-09 represents what the future of motorcycles should feel like: confident, connected, refined, powerful, yet controlled. This is not just transportation. This is not just another bike. This is an experience built for riders who look ahead, who appreciate detail, and who understand that the future belongs to those who ride toward it. This is AURORA X-09, and this is Future Bike Hub 09, where the future of bikes meets the road today. If you love future bikes and next-gen machines, subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09 and ride the future with us.